So hi everyone, my name is Karan and you are watching English with Karan YouTube channel. So in this video I want to share a lot of the things like English speaking related to English speaking. And you know that English is not a language. This is a totally like you can feel that this language when you speak this. So first of all friends, I want to share a lot of the things like English. First, when you speak, then you'll have to feel English vocabularies. It means like English vocabularies, English phrases, you will have to remember, then you will able to speak this language. A lot of the things, it means basic things you can remember, then you speak this language. And as well as a lot of the problems you'll have to face in your initial days, when you start to speak this language in your beginning days, a lot of the problems you will have to face. But you know that accept the challenges and uh, class the lot of the challenges you'll have to face, and accept the challenges and going ahead. It means you'll have to go to ahead, then you'll able to speak this language. It means I feel a lot of the challenges in learn for this language. In my family members not support me, and but still I can speak English language, and I try to speak this language. Any one person in my family members, nobody support me to speak this language, but still I can speak this language and I able to speak this language. So this is a good thing for me because I'm a hardworking person to speak this language. Because anyone persons want to learn this language, it means you can say that who persons due to struggle, due to hard work, then he able to speak this language. Otherwise he never speak this language. Because for the speak this language and for the learn this language, lot of the things is a matter. No matter how that you are doing a lot of the excuses, and no matter what, you have to learn this language. That time, like in it means past time I have thought that when will I learn this language and get a fluency. But now currently I am perceiving this fluency to speak this language. But having said that, I am feeling that very low, that my English is not good. But still my English fluency is developed. But I feel that my English is not good, because I most of the time I compare the persons, like who person can speak better for me, more than me. So that's why when I do to comparison, like a lot of the peoples who can speak English language as compare the my English, his English speaking is a very better, his and she's English speaking is a very better. It is most of the YouTuber, I know that in the YouTube. So who is a, it means female persons, he's a girl, she's a girl who can speak English language. And in the YouTube, the English speaking channel, like most of the girls, the viewer is a very support him. Most of the girls YouTuber belong to the this category, like me, English speaking. And it means most of the people, most of the things, in the girl, it means girls is like a hard working very. And uh, girl have a lot of the works, like a homework, like make a food, and a lot of the works, that wash the clothes, and also a lot of the things, female and girls have a lot of things, a lot of the works uh, related to homework. And she can speak English language. So this is a good thing that anyone girl can learn this language and can speak this language. So this is a good thing, because as compare the boy, because boy most of the time, boys has a free time. But for the girl don't have a lot of the times to create a video. So maybe in the YouTube, most supported the users for the girl YouTuber in the my category, like this. That. So this is a good thing. But in future, I believe myself that in the my videos, a lot of the views and lot of the likes and comments is exist. So in future I wish that in the my subscribers are comment to me that what's your English performance, and how are you increasing your communication skills. So a lot of the things, my users, like in future will tell me that your English is a very good. So this time I am waiting. So this is a good thing. And for the English speaking, consistency, the lot of the apps are available on the YouTube, and as well as your front of the camera. That first time you can it means first time when you speak the front of the camera, then you feel very shyness, very hesitate, and then you don't have a lot of the enthusiasm. You don't have any eager ardentness, desireness. When you try daily and consistent the front of the camera, record your videos, your own videos, then you will feel that your confident will high, and your confident, your clarity, your words clarity, your pronunciations is improving gradually. And before, as compared the before, after, your English is very good. And that no matter what, you can say that for young oneself, that no matter what, I learn this language. No matter what, I learn this language. So this is a good thing, that this is the affirmations to, you can say with oneself. That English is not a language. This is a good thing for every learner, every teacher, and every person. That not only the English language uh, in the India, very popular, very, it means this is an international language, that as well. You know it, I know that. But that in the China, in the lot of the countries, Japan, the English language is learn the basic, like infants and boys. It means a lot of the student learn this language not only in the India, but also foreign countries, abroad countries. So this language is not only for your Indians, but also you, when you will go to the abroad, then this language is a totally work for you. It means, maybe you suppose that you went to the Delhi, and like Delhi, no, you went to the Japan. Then this language, not, it means I know that in the Japan, Japanese language is the most popular. There is a native language, but still you can speak the English. Then you easily communicate them, Japanese persons, Chinese persons with the Chinese persons, Japanese persons with you can absolutely entirely, it means you can communicate them. And a lot of the things you can do, like how to go to the abroad, and you can go to the Britain. So a lot of the countries you can go. And if you don't know about the English language, so how can you go in future abroad? So this is a good thing, that you can speak English language, and it means you can go to the any country, any foreign country, whereby you can improve your English, and whereby you can, lot of the things you enjoy, because you can speak English language. So this is a very good thing, that you don't will have to face the lot of the problems when you will go to the abroad. This is a good thing. So this language is totally good for every students and every learners. So that most of the times you feel that English is a not for me. But English, in my past time, I have felt a lot of the problems in my initial days. It means I was talked about, it means I was think about, like this language is not for me, and I, in future, I don't able to speak this language. So a lot of the things I thought at that time. But right now I can speak this language totally, very blindly, it means very kind way I can speak this. So I don't have face lot of the problems in my after that. It means after the days, before days I have faced a lot of the it means problems, and encountered lot of the problems. But now I can speak this language. And that after getting your completed your a lot of the vocabularies, lot of the practice, then your confident will have built. When you speak this language, it means currently disciplined, with a discipline, with a consistency, you can speak this language, and you are speaking this language daily basis. Then your English will going on very go, and gradually you feel that your English will, as compare other persons who don't want to speak this language, your language, your motivations is a very high as compare the other persons. This language is a totally good for me. And if anyone persons learn this language, then he create a one YouTube channel like me. And like a lot of the, it means for the English speaking, a lot of the benefits are available. And this is not a benefit, it means disadvantage is not available. it means most of the advantage and benefit you get when you learn this language. So lot of the things you can do. And firstly, you can, that after getting your completed like your graduations and post graduation course, when will your complete graduation and post graduation course, then you will learn this language. So this is a totally wrong thing. You can learn this language running out, and as well as your graduations, maybe your graduations or post graduations or your school. So you can learn this language as well as running your graduation school and post graduation courses and your school. So don't wait the perfect time to speak this language, like when will 1 year ago I when we 1 year in future I'll speak this language. So not to find, not to stay that perfections. Please try to speak this language in the daily basis. And when you daily basis speak this language, then you feel that your English like 1 or 2 month, in the 1 or 2 month your English is improving and you feel better. Your English, your pronunciations, your body language has changed. And that after getting completed a lot of the practices, you can feel very confident, your clarity, pronunciation has very good. So a lot of the things you can feel. So please try to speak this language. In your initial days you have to face a lot of the problems, but face problems, accept the challenges, then you'll able to speak this language. Most of the persons think that it means I also uh, talked about this scenario that English is a very difficult for me in my initial days, and I am thought that English is a so difficult, this is a not easy. And that time I thought that I don't have a lot of the wisdom that time. But now I have a lot of the knowledge, I have a lot of the wisdom, I have a lot of the intelligence to speak this language and understand this language. Not only this language is a native language, maybe it means for the Britain, USA, but also this is an international language. International language, it means you can go internationally any place. Whenever you go, then you'll have to use this app. It means app, no app, no, you'll have to use this English speaking English language. So this is a very beneficial for you. After getting your school, maybe you are a school student, so please try to speak this language and learn this language. First of all, you'll have to do like grammar rules, like tenses, grammar rules, and interjections, prepositions you'll have to learn. Then you'll able to speak this language. After getting completed your grammar basic rules, then maybe you can remember a lot of the vocabularies, phrases, items, synonym and antonyms, and lot of the exceptions, like in the English speaking. That in the English speaking, in the English language, in the English learning, lot of the exceptions, it means exceptions, it means my pronunciation is not a very good. Exceptions like apwad, a lot of the exceptions are available in the English speaking. So lot of the things you can learn, and you can have to learn, then you will able to speak this language. Currently, yeah, I'm pursuing a BCom course in my local college, in my city college, it means. So as well as my city college, it means I go to the city college, then come return to the my college, then I practice English speaking. As well as my graduation, I can speak English language. So this is a good thing that in the graduation I can learn this language and I can speak this language. And when I, after getting completed my graduation and a post graduation course, then when I'll find the job, then my salary package is a high as compared to the other person, because I can speak English language. So there I will face a lot of the experiences and lot of the, like most of the persons, if any one person don't want to speak this language and I'll able to speak this language, then he will admire me that you can speak this language that time in future. So this is a totally good for me that I can speak English language, but nobody persons want can't speak this language. So this is a good thing that I can speak English language. you know most of the time I think that when I will speak English language, then I'll create a video, and now I can create a video in the front of the camera. 1 month passed, I never it means I didn't capable to speak this language one of the word, but now I can speak English language. So this is a very miracle, like for me, this is a very miracle for me, that most of this is a, like a magic, so please try to speak this language and continuously acquire the lot of the vocabularies and knowledges. And you can listen the lot of the Englishes, like BBC News, CNN, so lot of the things you can do. And after getting done this work, you will it means you'll acquire a lot of the knowledge. It means you'll get a lot of the knowledge. So please listen that you can learn this language. This language is absolutely free, and lot of the videos on the YouTube, lot of the teachers are available to learn this language. So lot of the things you can do, and after your graduation and post graduation courses. So thank you for watching. I meet you again videos next video. Thank you for watching.